Hey, it's me, Danus, with yet another video. This video is the second part in making DNA animation in Adobe After Effects. Let's begin. Create a new sequence, whatever size you need. Personally, I make it to 4K. Now, create a new solid, the color doesn't matter now. Go to Effects and look for 4-color gradient effect. Apply it and make colors you like, knowing that it's gonna change the color of your DNA. Nevertheless, it will be possible to change DNA colors at any time. Once the colors are selected, go to Effects and apply Fractal Noise Effect. Change blending mode to Multiply and fractal type to Dynamic Progressive. Now select Solid and select Rectangle shape to make a mask. Make a nice solid line mask like I do. Duplicate it and drag it down. Once it's done, select Rectangle shape tool again, but before that select Solid layer to avoid failures like I just did. Create the mask again, connecting to the main lines. Next step is to create pattern similar to ladders by duplicating. Once it's done, pre-compose. Now go to Effects, look for CC Ball Action effect and apply it. Change ball size. I made it to 80. Increase grid spacing, and to finish the animation, increase twist angle, whatever looks good for your needs. That's how we can make a similar animation to DNA. To make it look better, add a new camera and simply change the view angle on DNA. Don't forget to make it to 3D layer. In order to make it look better, we can add glow. That would be it in this creating DNA series. Hope it's gonna be helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.